GBPUSD analysis today. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video, we'll talk about pound against dollar. Before we start the video, if you're new to the channel, then make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell notification, and below the video, you'll find a link. It says, the first link says swing trading on automation. So if you are interested in doing swing trading and make some money, real money, okay? Because scalping, you will make, you'll make money one day. Let's say you do 1 hour chart, 30 minutes, whatever you do, okay? You will make money for 1 month and you will lose money the other month, okay? So nobody makes money in short time frame. Don't fool yourself, okay? If anybody is saying make money in 1 hour, 30 minutes, you will make money in sometimes, sometimes you will win. Most of the times you will lose. So don't fool yourself by saying, oh yeah, we make money intraday. No, that's the bullshit, okay? Only higher time frames make money. And these people are called positional traders, okay? Let me give an example. I will do this analysis in a moment, okay? Let me give an example so that you understand how market works, okay? So for example, you see these trends, you will call that dollar had been in the uptrend for 6 months and then it stays in the downtrend for 6 months, for example only. So let's say euro was in the uptrend for 6 months, then euro went euro is in the downtrend for 6 months. Okay, why does this happen? Why does this happen? Why does this happen? This is how these investors use their money, okay? So for example, these people, they take out all the money from US market and then they will drop and invest all that money in Chinese market or Indian market or European market, okay? So the same money which was in the US market, now that money has been pulled out and it has been invested into European market or Chinese market or Indian market, okay? So what will happen in that case? In that case, dollar will go into the downtrend and the money which is invested in some other country, that share market will go up. If they invest that money in Chinese, their currency will go up, their market will go up. If they invest that money in Europe, the European market will go up, euro will go up. You understand that? Similarly, they will take their profits. And these people, these investors, they leave that money invested for months. They are not intraday traders. They leave that money invested for 6 months, okay? And after 6 months, they take out that money with profits and then they invest that in some other economy, okay? So today, if they invested the money in USA, they will take their profits after 6 months. Then dollar will come into the downtrend and they will invest the money into some other market. And then they will stay there for 6 months. What I'm trying to make you understand here is that actual money is made by those people who know what they're doing. So anybody who's fooling you out there, you can become some fucking intraday trader or 30 minutes trader or 1 hour trader. That's bullshit, okay? So if you want to be a positional trader and you're risk-free trading and you want to have quality trades, you want to make money, but it might take some time. So choose yourself. Would you rather lose money instantly or would you rather make money after waiting a while? Okay, so swing trading on automation, go and click on the first link below and come to this page, check out this video, and then you will understand what I'm saying, okay? You can see how much money you can make potentially if you are patient and if you follow my instructions, okay? And everything is automated. You don't have to learn anything, all right? So check out these things in your free time and then join Telegram as well. Subscribe, like, blah, blah, blah. Coming back to the chart here, starting your top-down approach with weekly time frame. We are up. In weekly, we are surely up in the uptrend, but we might be going down because new high is not created yet. So this was your previous new high. We don't have any new high weekly, so we might collapse. We'll see. Daily, we are doing zigzags. So we are ranging right now, new low, but new high as well. So we don't have a clear direction in GBPUSD and daily chart. Okay, so we are ranging right now. We might go until the EMA. So let's go back to 4 hour here. In 4 hour, we are getting rejection. Okay, so let me see this low. This low is never broken. So we are getting rejection. I think we're going to go up. Okay. So in GBPUSD, as per the 4 hour, this is your uptrend. So new high, pull back, new high, and then pull back. Okay. So if we are getting a rejection right now, which we are, now when I will enter long when this high is broken. Understand? Next blue engulfing candle has to engulf this previous high. So next blue candle eating this blue candle, that's my entry, and I'll take my profits whenever you want to, maybe 1:2, okay? So right now, what we're doing, we're ranging, okay? Right now, we are ranging. My entry for long is only if this high is broken. Otherwise, I'll sit idle and I'll wait for this low to break, okay? 4 hour is your key here. Keep an eye. If this low is if this low is broken, then you will go short after the pullback. So, for example, if the price closes below the EMI, then you will wait for the pullback, then you will go down. Otherwise, you will wait for this long to break and then you will go up. Right now, no entry. But anyways, if you want everything to be done on automation, then click on the first link below. Swing trading on automation. Come to this page, check out everything, and I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care, subscribe, like, blah, blah, blah.